Hi, I'm Lori Davis, and I'm here with Todd Rosenbluth, Director of ETF Research for S&P Capital IQ. Todd just completed a webinar on biotech investing using ETFs. Thank you for joining us, Todd.
Good to be here, thanks.
Biotech ETFs have been among the top performers this year. Why do you think that has been the case?
Well, the sub-industries, so the biotechnology stocks have done really well, and they've been helped by an accommodative Federal Drug Administration. We've seen a lot of drugs making it through the pipeline. We've seen some M&A activity in the last couple of years that is helping these companies, and they've got strong earnings prospects. So for investors that are looking for a more aggressive slant to their portfolio, biotechnology stocks have done very well the first 9 months or so of 2013.
Does the record indicate that these ETFs will be good investments for 2014?
Well, we at S&P Capital IQ believe past performance is not indicative of future results, so you shouldn't just choose something that has worked in the past. We think that biotechnology stocks are going to continue to do well as the analysts that cover the stocks look forward. There's a number of strong buy and buy recommendations on these larger constituents within biotechnology ETFs. But it's important, we think at S&P Capital IQ, to understand what's inside the portfolio, because not all biotechnology ETFs are constructed the same.
You noted on the webinar the different exposures biotech has in diversified healthcare ETFs. Why is that important?
Well, so biotechnology is the second largest of the sub-industries within the healthcare sector. If you're looking at the S&P indices or you're looking at other widely used indices, it's just behind pharmaceuticals. But the exposure is different depending upon which index is there. So if you own a healthcare ETF, and many people do, you're going to have some exposure to biotechnology. It just matters which ETF has more versus less. And we happen to like biotechnology, so having more biotech stocks is a good thing from a valuation standpoint. But of course, these are riskier stocks.
Okay. Thank you, Todd. To view a replay of the S&P Capital IQ ETF webinar on biotech, visit the following website address or email wealth@spcapitaliq.com. Thank you.